Some things that I do to get ready. I am currently working on an album, and the whole idea is that I need to be ready before my recording on Friday. So I had my recording scheduled for this Friday, which is today, but unfortunately, I had to call in to say I'm not going to be able to make it because some things had come up at work, but also I wasn't 100% ready to record. Now, my producer had been working on some tracks based on the album project, which is going to be ready for release in April of 2025. So based on that project, we need to work backwards and, get the vocals done, get the tracks done. Fortunately, we're almost at the tail end of this project. It's been exciting, hearing all the vocals and working through the details and just getting all the inspirations out and rewriting some piece of the song and, getting new inspirations overall. Yeah. So I have 2 backtracks to record over my vocals, and I need to prep to try to get my vocals ready for that. And I also have a rework to do that is kind of challenging. So hopefully I get it right this time around. But what do I do to get ready for my vocals? As an independent Christian artist, I need to learn how to take care of my voice and how to really, manage my talking so I'm not shouting too much, especially when it's days leading up to recording. And so I try to rest my voice a lot. I stay hydrated. I drink a lot of water, so I stay hydrated. And I also take my tea. So I do take the lemon ginger tea. I'm going to leave a link below on how you can get that. And yeah, I also do something very interesting. So a new discovery was that I take my Lola Remedios. Now, this is a tea that I discovered from Philippines. Really great. It's not even a tea. It's actually like a food supplement syrup. That's what's written here. It's ready to drink. It comes in sachets like this, so pretty neat, on the go. So I take it on the day off, and I of course just stay hydrated every time. And I take my tea like days leading up to, so 3-4 days leading up to. And this is lemon ginger tannins. And yeah, Lola Remedios on the day off. And prior to the day off, of course, I stay prayed up. I meditate, make sure I rehearse my vocals. I prayerfully do that because there's a certain way God will want me to sound in some certain places or parts of the song, particularly if he's wanting me to re-emphasize on some of the things on the vocals or on the lyrics. And so I do a lot of prayer and meditations and rehearsals of my lyrics and of my vocals and my pitches and just overall how God will want me to sound. And so I do that days leading up to. I listen to the track. I make sure that I know when to come in. I listen to all the beats and, just overall listen to the track and rehearse like everyone else would rehearse, And then I also do inhale. I inhale boiling water or very hot steam. Sorry, cancel that. It's not boiling water, but of course I boil the water and then I put it in a bowl, and while it's still really hot and steamy, I put in essential oil. So I'm gonna leave a link on the actual essential oil that I use, and I just cover myself up in a blanket and really just breathe that in, and I inhale that until I'm fully soaked in it. And so I do that therapy the night before and the day of recording, and then I do my vocal warm-ups. So step by step, oh my god, I'll probably leave a description below on the step-by-step so you can go through it and also see all the links so where you can buy the products. And yeah, so I get to start off with drinking lots of water. 4 or 3 days to my vocals, I take my tea day or night. I like to do a lot of night drinking just because it just relaxes my muscles more. And then I, of course, daily try to do my vocal exercises. And I do my inhaling, whatever that is. It's kind of like when you inhale steam. I do that the night before, and then I do that on the day off. And then I take my Lola Remedios on the morning off. I, of course, do my prayers and meditation. I do my vocal rehearsals. And last but not the least, I show up. I show up on time at the studio, ready to record. And yeah, that is what it feels like, or that is what it really is like, being an independent Christian artist working on vocals. For some challenging songs, I have worked with a vocal instructor to kind of just hear, overall how things are sounding, because it's always great to get that feedback from people. I have a third ear with my producer, and so I also kind of sometimes I let my family and friends into some of my world, but most of the time I want to keep it like professional. Like, let me just get the tips from the professionals and keep the other ones a surprise. And then when the first draft of the demo is ready, of the first draft of production after mixing is ready, I kind of give it to some people in my life, like people that are my target audiences, like my friends and family, to listen to and just get their overall thoughts around how things are sounding, what they feel about the song. Because as much as God's giving us that gift, it's for the world. And we want to make sure that the people that are going to receive the gift, are feeling the right things, and they're feeling things the way you want them to feel, how God will want them to feel. And so, yeah, I kind of test run with family and friends, get your thoughts, and then I also give my own opinion to my producer for final refining and adjustments before the final master track is ready. But yeah, just day in my life. And yeah, do let me know in the comment whatever topic it is that you like me to share, based on my journey and just my overall experience and thoughts about my life as an independent Christian artist and musician. In terms of instruments, I am not very great at playing instruments. My greatest instrument is my vocal, and that is what I'm working on. And yeah, so I look forward to coming back with more tips and tricks, and also just giving you a rundown on this particular one going down on Friday. So I'm going to be doing some more videos to kind of show you the practical of how I get it done. But yeah, that is it, and I hope that I inspire you. I hope that if you like this video, or if you have learned one or two things, I hope that you like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below, say hi if you're an independent artist. Let me know where you're hailing from, and I look forward to more collaborations. I look forward to learning from you, and look forward to sharing more tips. And yeah, till then, keep your vocals rested. Till then, keep doing your vocal exercise, and don't forget, stay hydrated. Take care.